Animation is hard work. Ask any animator what their favorite part of the process is, and I think most of them would say finishing it. It's not the hardest work there is, but it is a large amount of work compared to how small the payoff is, as animation takes so long to make. Animation is for people who enjoy delayed gratification, people that save up all the M&Ms from the trail mix so they can eat a big mouthful of them all at once. The people that spend all day in the snow with a shovel and a bucket so they can end the day sitting in the igloo that they made. People that don't mind spending hours with little to no reward, knowing that all this hard work is worth it because a big reward is coming in the end. Animation takes patience, so if you want to see results immediately, you might find animation frustrating. That said, animation is my favorite art medium. You can express yourself on so many more levels than something like drawing, for example, because not only is it visual, but there's movement, there's dialogue, there's sound, there's music. Animation combines so many types of art into one to give the viewer a symphony of creative expression. I'll be honest, I don't love to animate. What I do love is being done and seeing the reactions of the people watching the finished animation. That's why I keep doing it. Don't get me wrong, I do enjoy the process. There are little moments where something gets done and I watch it and I have a little chuckle and maybe get out of my seat and do a little victory air punch, celebrating that my idea was turned into something real. But other than those little moments, most of it's pretty tiring. Coming up with ideas is tough and my brain hurts after a long brainstorming session. The reward comes at the end when the story's finished. Doing the animation itself is less tiring on the brain, but it just takes a long time. My favorite part of that process is when a scene is done, so I can watch it. So basically, being an animator is a constant cycle of delayed gratification where you work hard for a long time until you see a big reward at the end. But I think it's totally worth it, and I wouldn't trade this job for any other job in the world. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into my animation process.